ASAP General Contracting here. We are today putting in some palmettos. Our client has asked us to put in some native palmettos. These are 15-gallon plants, 15-gallon size plants. And we have put in about 14 or 15, I can't remember. We're kind of coming up on it. We're not going to do any mulching at this time. We are just putting it in as a separation. So, a little tight, but the client is wanting a privacy barrier from and we'll come back in the next week or two and put some more in. That's all they had at the nursery today. And as this grows up, it'll create a nice barrier between the two houses, and looks very nice.